Hi folks. Right, some of you are having a little bit of a problem with the site. I'm going to explain what you have to do. Because I've got so many products listed in one section, I'll explain it to you. Right, look. Here's the shop. You've got home, shop, contact, our policies, which I need to update, about, and shipping data. There is a video that's supposed to show there. Now, it says, when I click it on my computer, it shows you it. So, I'll sort all that out. On the home page, this is what you see. Jennings644 Boutique. It says, here at Jennings644 Boutique, you can find lots of lovely lace trims, braids, jewellery, and for crafting, and so much more. And then it goes on at the bottom and it says, if you see a zero price by a product, click on the picture. It doesn't always mean we've sold out. It often means that there are more than one kind of product for sale. So I'm going to show you what to do. Go up to the shop. And there's the products for sale, okay? Take this one. It says no money there, no price. Click on the picture and you'll see two pictures below. Okay, if I click on that one and I like that and I want to purchase that, you go to the drop down menu, which is that one. You select 12 florets, peach ribbon or beige ribbon. So I'm going for the 12 florets. I can put in, if I wanted, two quantities, and it's £1.50 per 12 florets. If I go down and choose the peach ribbon, the price changes. See? So if I choose the florets, the price is £1.50. If I choose the ribbon, the price is £1. And I can put in the quantity that I want and then I add it to the cart. So I'll take you back again to another one. Right, let's do the this one. This is the appliques. Now, because I've loaded them all up on one page rather than have individual ones, it's taking so long. Eventually, we will do one of everything on their own page. But to save time and to get them up for you to buy, underneath, watch the picture change. Of all of these pictures underneath, all you do, it says, please choose. Okay? So, click on that one. That changes. Click on that. So you see that there, every one of them's listed there, and they're all different prices. Okay? Now, I think, yeah, that's it. They're all different prices. So for that one, you go to the drop-down menu here, and it's got nothing there. But select it, which is the mauve corded. Oh, do you know what? I think I've put too many on that. I need to take a couple off. All right, let's go up to the other one. Let's go to this pink, the first one. That one with the bugle beads. Go to the bugle bead one, and it should... Yeah, £8.99. Yeah, I can see what's happened there. I need to take two off. I think you can get 10 pictures on, and I've put too many, so it won't list the price. But if I chose this one, click on that picture... Go to the drop-down menu. That's the one with the corded flowers. I mean, the titles I put in here in this box are self-explanatory. So, two large corded, that's £8.99. Let's find another one that's a different price. Tatty's flower. This is Tatty's applique. So, let's have a look. There, 80p. See? Standard shipping. And you just keep doing that. So I'm just going to go back to another page. Now here, on the miniatures, so there's two miniatures there. There's this table one that I made. That's the tatting table. And then we've got the little tree, nesting tree. So if you go down to the drop down menu, there's no price there. But if you click the tatting chair, it comes up at £2.99. If you click the nesting tree, it comes up at £3.99. See? So the prices are there, that you just don't see them here when there's more than one. So I'll find something that's just one item listed. Now, these beads are listed on their own. There's nothing else with them. Just those. See? No pictures underneath. Gives you the price. Gives you the shipping. And then your the quantity, obviously. There's just the one bag of those. So go back here. Okay. So I'm just going to do a couple more so you can see what I mean. These are all pages and it says, please choose. If the product that you see, that you're looking at, no price, but it says please choose, then you have to go and choose it. Let's have a look at something else. Let's go to it, load something else up. Right, let's just see here. There's nothing showing for money, but when you go onto it, there's two pictures. You've got the tall feather and you've got these three items here. So if you go to flower group, shows 40p. Pink feathers, £1. Those large pink feathers are £1. Okay, and that's how it goes. I will sort it all out. I mean, if I've got to go and load them all up individually, it's going to take me forever. So this is why I group them together. And I have said in two of the videos that you, and it says it on the front cover of the shop. On the front cover of the shop. Let's have a look at the doily one. So on this one, there's two doilies. There's that one and that one. Go to the shipping price. The round doily mat is £1. And the large square is £3.50. That's a large square. And that's the doily mat, the round one. So that's how you're going to do it. Right, so here we go. Here's the tassel trim. At the bottom, you see these pictures. And you click on them and each one changes. Okay? So if we go back to that one, go to the drop down menu, and it's a chunky corded, it comes up at £1.60. If I click on the super soft one, which is a soft silk tassel beige, it's £1.80. If I do the buttercream, £1.80, which is that one. If I do the cotton one, at 1.5 inches long, it gives you £1.20. And the cotton one at 2 inches long, which is that one, it gives you £1.30. But when you go back to the page where the tassels are, this page, yeah, it says nothing. And you're getting half a yard of tassel trim. Please choose. So you have to click on the picture to choose what you want. I hope you understand that. So I'll just find something else for you to let's have a look. Something that's right, here's one. 1 metre of pretty braid. Please choose. It says there's nothing there, there's no price there, but you click on the picture and then what comes up is the chenille, the beaded, the rose, black rose, and the pink. You go to back to the first one, which is the chenille, cream chenille. Go to the drop down menu, cream chenille, price comes up as £1. Super soft pink chenille, which is that one, comes up as £1. The black and white rose, which is that one, comes up at £1. And the beaded white, which is that one, comes up at £1.30. It was the only way I could get them to do it, you know, to put so many onto one page. Mainly because I don't want to run out of data, so, you know, space. So, if you've got something you like that you see a picture of, You really basically need to click on it all. Unless they've got a price. If this is like, this is 55p, but they're both identical. They're both the same price. That's why it's telling you the price at the beginning. See, they're both 55. Let me find something else that there's more of. Right, the stick pins here, see? There's 6 different lots of stick pins. But when you go to the drop down menu for the red ones, because they're all, you can see what they are, go to the drop down, red butterfly. So go to the red butterfly, that's £2. Green butterfly, £1.50, that's 3 of those. See, the amount's changed here. The white and pink, so look at the white and pink, which are those, and they're £1.80. The cream and white, which are those, £1.80. And the pink butterfly are £2, which is that one. Alright, so you just click on the picture, go down to the drop down menu, find the product there, and it gives you the price above it. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.